When it comes to investing, two of the hottest topics are cryptocurrencies and stocks. Both have their unique appeal, but which one should you consider for your portfolio? Let's break it down. First, let's talk about stocks. Stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you're essentially buying a piece of that business. Historically, stocks have been a reliable way to grow wealth over time. They tend to offer stability, especially if you're investing in established companies. The stock market has its ups and downs, but over the long term, it has shown a consistent upward trend. Now, let's pivot to cryptocurrencies. Cryptos, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, are digital assets that operate on blockchain technology. They offer a different kind of investment opportunity. The crypto market is known for its volatility. Prices can skyrocket or plummet in a matter of hours, which can be thrilling but also risky. Unlike stocks, cryptocurrencies are not tied to a company's performance, making them more unpredictable. So, how do these two compare? Let's look at three key factors: stability, growth potential, and risk. Starting with stability, stocks generally win this round. They're regulated and backed by tangible assets, which provides a safety net for investors. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, can be influenced by market sentiment, regulatory news, and technological changes, leading to significant price swings. If you're looking for a more stable investment, stocks might be the way to go. Next up is growth potential. Here, cryptocurrencies often take the lead. The crypto market is still relatively young, and many believe it has enormous room for growth. Early investors in Bitcoin, for example, saw incredible returns. However, this potential comes with a caveat. The market is speculative, and not every crypto will succeed. Stocks can also offer growth, especially in emerging sectors like tech or renewable energy, but they tend to grow at a steadier pace. Finally, let's talk about risk. Investing in stocks carries risk, but it's often more manageable. You can diversify your portfolio across different sectors to mitigate potential losses. Cryptocurrencies, however, can be a wild ride. The lack of regulation and the rapid pace of change can lead to significant losses if you're not careful. If you're risk averse, stocks might be a safer bet. So, what's the takeaway? If you prefer stability and a long-term investment strategy, stocks are likely your best option. But if you're willing to embrace volatility for the chance of high returns, cryptocurrencies could be worth exploring. Ultimately, the best investment choice depends on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline. Always do your research and consider speaking with a financial advisor before diving in.